Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a breakfast quiche with pie crust. Start with a pre-made or homemade 9-inch pie crust. Blind baking is crucial for a crisp base. Prick the bottom, line with parchment, and fill with pie weights. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes, then remove weights and bake for another 5-7 minutes until lightly golden. Let it cool completely. For the creamy custard, whisk 4 large eggs with 1½ cups of whole milk or heavy cream until well combined. Season this mixture with half a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper to enhance the flavors. Then, incorporate 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, such as Gruyere or sharp cheddar, for a rich and savory base. Now, personalize your quiche with delicious additions. Sauté about 1 cup of your preferred vegetables, like spinach, onions, or bell peppers, until they are tender. If adding meat, cook about half a cup of crumbled bacon or diced ham until crispy. Spread these flavorful additions evenly over the bottom of your cooled pie crust before the next step. Carefully pour the egg and cheese mixture into your prepared crust, over the fillings, ensuring even distribution. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 50 minutes, or until the center is just set and a knife inserted comes out clean. Let it cool for at least 10 minutes before slicing and serving for the best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.